Fucking hell! Go to fucking hell!
Could a routine car fire call turn into a deadly police encounter? A Thurston County deputy responded to a scene, but the situation escalated instantly when the suspect pulled a gun. Let's break down this body cam footage. Intro. Welcome back! Today we're analyzing a critical incident that took place on June 4th, 2026 in Yelm, Washington. The Thurston County Sheriff's Office was dispatched to assist firefighters with a burning vehicle. Because the property had a history of violent criminal activity, it was flagged with a caution alert, requiring law enforcement presence to ensure the firefighters' safety.
I don't give a shit! I'm gonna be dead anyway! Your code enforcement wants to kill me!
Who? John, don't make me have to drag you out of there, please.
You wanna do what? You're gonna do what?
I don't want to have to drag.
What?
Stop.
You're gonna
Stop.
do what?
Stop.
You're gonna burn
John.
my fucking truck down!
John, we have the fire department coming over here. Leave that alone. And you come after me like that again, you're gonna fucking get put on the ground.
Dead. I'm dead anyway! I'm dead anyway!
John, get out of there right now, or I'm gonna put you in cuffs. Come here now. Come here now.
Fucking hell! Go to fucking hell!
Edward 25, shots fired, shots fired. John, get down on the fucking ground! John, get down on the fucking ground, now!
Oh, I'm hard!
Get down on the fucking ground! Everybody get down, now! You move again, I'll fucking kill you!
I understand. Just kill me now!
No!
Kill me now!
You pull out that fucking gun again, I'll fucking kill you. Do you understand me?
I understand you. Code enforcement's gonna kill me anyway.
Do you understand me?
Yes,
What a fucking stupid thing to do. Why would you do that?
I can't hear you.
Why would you do that?
Because you're gonna kill me anyway. Code enforcement wants to kill me. You're gonna kill me.
Everybody stay back now. You two get the hell out of here. You stay on the ground now. You're gonna be a witness to this. Stay down. Both of you get over there. Tell them to stay there.
I'm hurting. Ow! Ow! This is the end, Tim. It's all over. It's all over, Tim. Tell everybody to leave while they have a chance.
I'm over here. I'm over here. Crossfire's over here. Go more towards your right. He's right here.
Cuff, I got a rifle. John, can you hear me? His name John?
Yes.
Joe! Joe!
Is that this?
Yes.
Don't reach for anything.
Ow!
Get away from me.
Ow, it's broken!
Right there.
Okay.
Probably in his hip.
That's it.
You have a knife?
A really small knife in my left front pocket.
Want to secure the gun? Get the fire in here, okay?
Yeah, that's the one he pulled on me.
In my left.
The deputy involved has been placed on standard administrative leave while the investigation continues. This video is provided strictly for educational and informational purposes. What is your take on how this situation was handled? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of real-world police incidents.